go as much on it, as much of an adventure as you.
Yeah,
choose.
I appreciate that.
There's the river trail down there.
Oh, the river trail. Looks boring compared to this. I wanted to be up.
It's definitely different. Yeah, you're up now.
Oh, it's gorgeous here. Wow. Oh, another turn, twist and turn. Oh my God. Oh, I don't know. One more level. That's it. One more. That's all. Can you feel it? Can you feel it in your head at all? Look at those people down there by the shore. They're behind the rocks right now. They're on the river trail. This isn't difficult. It's not like you have to climb over rocks. It's just the upgrade. Look at that. Look at that. Please, don't come down now. I bet you when the water runs, that if there was water up there, there'd be a waterfall right there. Right there. I don't know where the water is compared to the lake down here, or the river. Maybe snow. Okay, there's another up thing there. I mean, I don't think this is that hard. It's just,
Well, it goes on and on and on.
yeah, I know. Yeah. But look how high we are. The car's way over there.
We have to do this bird.
Yeah. Huh.
I mean, we have to do 30 of what we just did. Maybe 40 of what we just did to get to the top. Maybe 50.
I don't want to get to the top.
That's what I mean. I mean, after a while, it gets harder and harder.
It's going to get tedious too. Just back and forth. But look how...
And then you have to go through that skinny section.
Where?
Don't you remember? When it was like a drop off?
Kind of. Not really.
It was. Look at how this thing is just going apart.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. All right. Let's just GoPro pause recording.